One of the nice things about either being a seller or a volunteer is pre-sale. Oh, and by the way, the keyword for this video is going to be snowflake. The privilege of pre-sale is you get to shop the sale before the general public does. So you get first pick of all the stuff. It is on the Friday night of the sale from 6 to 7:30, and the time is very specific. If you get there ahead of time, you're going to be asked to either wait out in the lobby or outside, depending on how warm or cold it is. We won't let people inside the doors until specifically at 6 o'clock. I will say that people do start lining up, but it's nothing crazy, like you don't have to get there an hour early. People will start lining up maybe 20-15 minutes before the sale starts. If you work one of the setup shifts, please do not hold back any of the clothes. If we catch you doing that, you will be dismissed from the sale. The pre-sale is only for the people that work. I think I mentioned in an earlier video that you can use your husbands to work a shift. Like for example, if it's a setup shift, you setting up the poles and everything, you can definitely have your husband take your shift instead of you. However, if only one of you worked, then that means only one of you gets to shop. Now, on the other hand, if you want to work the setup shift and have your husband come work the setup shift, you guys both can shop for pre-sale. Same with volunteers. Again, it's just whoever works the shift needs to be the only person shopping. So no husbands, no children especially. It gets a little bit crowded and a little bit hectic, so we just ask no children are allowed at pre-sale. The only exception to the no kids allowed rules is if you have teenagers. Teenagers of sellers and volunteers are allowed to come to pre-sale. However, they are only allowed to shop in the junior section. We will have an area to try on clothes for the juniors, also an area to try on clothes for maternity. Just an FYI for that. But your juniors can go through, shop at the junior clothes, and then try on. However, they are only allowed to shop for junior clothes, otherwise they need to stay with you. It's not fair to everybody else if you send your teenager over to toys while you go look at size 3T. So either, again, the teenager needs to specifically stay with you, or they need to be in the junior section only.